كنت بدي أقول لك بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
يلا تفضلي ادعي لنا.
إن شاء الله يا رب. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Maha from Maha's Lebanese Cuisine. Today we are going to make the famous mjadara that everybody loves, and it's very famous in the Middle East, in Lebanon, and it's a vegan dish. So let's get started. So what we need for this dish, we need lentil, cracked wheat, the burghul, onion, olive oil, salt and pepper. Very easy ingredient. And with this dish, you have to have salad. Usually they have cabbage salad, but we did so many cabbage salad before. So today I'm gonna make the spring salad, which has parsley, onion, tomato, cucumber, anything you can put for this dish because it likes a garnish a lot. Like here, if you see, we have so many pickles and it has to go with this dish. And if you wanna know about the cabbage salad, you go back to my burghul or the kibbe, potato kibbe or pumpkin kibbe videos. I made it that day. So first step, we are going to make the qaliyi. We are going to saute the onion. We can drizzle the oil. It's like quarter cup of oil, olive oil. So onion here, I have 4 large onion. This dish, the main spicy good taste thing with it is the onion. I have to saute it and it has to be dark red. It will give it much better taste. This machine will make your life much easier. I've been using this machine for every single day. You cut the onion, never cry. So if you like it, the link is down in the description. It needs a little bit more oil, so I'm gonna add a little bit more oil, maybe 2 tablespoons. The olive oil give it very good taste, so you need to have enough oil. The burnt taste, it gives the mjadara very good taste. You see, now our onion is ready. It almost melt, you see. Now I'm gonna add the lentil and the water and let it cook maybe for 30 minutes. The lentil I already washed and cleaned. For this dish, you can't say you need 2 cups or 4 cups or whatever water. Every lentil, it's a different with the lentil. Some take longer time to cook. Some it takes just a few, maybe 30 minutes. So that's why I put water to cover the lentil, double the size, like maybe 4 inches in top. And now I'm gonna cook it. Maybe I will add more water. It depends on the lentil. So let's let it cook and we will check on it every maybe 5 minutes. So now we are going to make my favorite salad for mjadara. So what we need, first I'm gonna start with the garlic. And garlic you can put as much as you like, you know, like maybe 1 or 2. And then I'm gonna squeeze some lemon. I'm gonna make 1 more. Add the salt, half a teaspoon, maybe 2 tablespoons oil. Let's see. When I mix it, I can tell. I'm gonna add a little bit more oil. And this is the vinaigrette that you are going to use. Now I'm gonna cut the vegetables. I'm cutting 1 bundle of parsley. It doesn't have to be too thin. So this is a little different from the fattoush salad, but the cut is the same. Half a bundle of mint. Just take the leaves. So let's check the lentil. Good. Still have water and it's cooking. Now I'm gonna cut the tomato. gonna make the cucumber. Gonna make one more. And now I'm gonna cut some onion, red onion. Okay, so now we cut everything. I'm not gonna mix it until we are going to serve it, because the lemon will change the color of the vegetables. So I will leave it like that. When we are ready to eat, I will mix it. More than halfway cooked. Now I will add the burghul and the salt and the pepper. But starting from now, when you add the burghul, you have to every like maybe minute stir it and keep stir it until all the water evaporate. And if you see, there is not too much water. It's enough for the burghul to be cooked. So this is half a cup of burghul, not the thin one, number 2 or 3 they call it, burghul khashin. And I'm gonna add salt. I'm not gonna put too much, then I will add when I taste it. And black pepper. This is the whole mjadara. Now it's the process of cooking it, because we need the lentil to be very, very, very mushy. Some people they stir, like mix it good and make it creamy. Some people they like it like that. We like it like that. Sometimes I use like maybe the hand mixer. I will cream it just a little bit, but I prefer it like that. You can put it on low heat and let it simmer, but it's up to you. It depends if you are in a hurry or you have your time. It looks ready, but I'm gonna try to see if the burghul is done and it's mushy, and that's what you want it. And if it needs salt or pepper. Very good. So our mjadara is done. Now we want to plate it. This dish, you can eat it cold. It's even better when it's cold. And even better and better when it's overnight. You eat it the second day. So when you make a bunch, so you can have it for 2-3 days. So this is our dish for today. Hope you like it. Try to make it and let me know in the comment. And try to eat it with a lot of pickles and salad, because that's what makes it good. Thank you very much for watching me, and I will see you next week. Bye.